Hello guys. I hope you guys can hear me. Hope we're live. We'll be having a look into the charts straight away. Try to understand the certain levels, how it is performing right now, market, and how it could perform as well. For the bullish case scenario, for the bearish case scenario, all that. I just quickly wanted to end this live stream. I'm quite tired. I wanted to sleep. Uh, uh, I've been awake, did not sleep yesterday. Woke up early, went to work, travel 2 hour, work 12 hour, travel 2 hour, come back home. Very tired. Just yesterday have a sleep of 1 hour, 2 hour in the night, and tomorrow again I have to wake up early, same 3:30 a.m. It's 9 o'clock already. I want really wanted to sleep. So just quickly, I wanted to jump into today's price section, how market has performed. It has opened aggressively, gone toward upper side. It has knocked all of those highs, which we was aiming for quite a couple of days, and then it has knocked this weekly high as well. And from this weekly high, we have seen more of a like pull back toward downward side and the lower levels price section on the market. If you watch out the overall structure of the market, this is what I was watching on upward levels on upper section. These highs are very close to each other. Look, all of those highs has a bunch of liquidity, and we are already, this structure is already bullish from the market. This is what I was thinking about. Right now, there are two possibilities. I am anticipating that could play it out. Either way, market possible that continuous momentum toward upper side to knock all of those highs because we are bullish, or it is possible it could come down, maybe tapped into this weekly upward level fair value gap as well, and then try to be bullish to knock all of those highs as well, which is what we have been anticipating or expecting for the market to knock as well, which is possibility as well. We cannot deny it is not possible. It is possible. These are the two possibilities right now I am anticipating or expecting from the market that may play it out. So this is what we have to figure out, like now how it is possible that continue to be bullish. The reason I am more of like leaning it could be continue to be bullish is there is no as much strong level of resistance on top of us. These has a bunch of liquidity. It is possible it could be bullish, but it really depends on how market close as well today. Maybe it close a big wick candle today, and tomorrow market is bearish, and throughout the weekend as well market remain inside this range. Then I would be more of like suspicious that market maybe next week could roll down to knock all of those lows to this area as well, and from this range we will be already bullish on the market. So this is how it is. Like on a bigger picture, I am anticipating overall we're bullish, could make a retest, then be bullish, and then could continue its momentum toward upward side, knocking all of those highs as well. This is what I am anticipating. This is just a simple thing. Like we don't need to complicate the things. The other reason why I'm this range is bearish is while market is creating higher highs on 4 hour time frame, I sometimes I do check indicators just to sometimes I do check indicators RSI to just to check if we have a bullish divergence or bearish divergence. This is what I was watching on 4 hour time frame. This is a higher highs. RSI is showing weakness on a chart. It means like this is a bearish divergence. And but now market make higher highs and higher lows, a low high, low lows. I look to watch out RSI to anticipate that if market could create lower bearish divergence or bullish divergence. So at this point it is forming bearish divergence, but it is not sure. We are not sure what could be the local top at this range. Maybe this could be the top. We don't know. Maybe market continues momentum toward upper side at this range, it create top and then roll down as well toward. But you can say that market is showing weakness while it is going toward upper side, and we could anticipate a low levels from the market to come down into 4 hour time frame as well. Could continue momentum toward upper side. It is also possible. Bearish divergence does not mean that you have to go for a short right now. It is possible that market continue to make high, which is what it is forming, and then at some point we anticipate it could be bearish as well toward a low levels. quickly wanted to go to this chart on 4 hour time frame to understand the market a little bit more. Late in the night, I just wanted to discuss this for now. Late in the night yesterday, we have seen that market was aggressively bearish. It recovered well from this range on 1 hour time frame, went toward upper side, hold this 4 hour time fairly gap, going up, up and up and up. I started watching the charts at this point early in the morning at when it invert this 15-minute time frame fairly gap, and I was watching this per second for the market like at this point I was watching it tapped into this 15-minute time frame fairly gap. I went to 5 minute time frame. It was creating this fairly gap. It created this fairly gap. At this point I bought the market. I was like, market is really going to go to upper side from here. We bought at this point and then it went all the way to a trade with a small size trade because I was not really in front of the charts. I was at my job, and then I was like, you can risk a little bit, and then market way toward upper side, went way toward upper side from here. So that's how market has performed today. But I really wanted to discuss right now, like certain levels, uh, draw certain levels on a market right now because they are important to be drawn right now. This is a 4 hour time frame fairly gap now. Market has created while going toward upper side. This one, oh, sorry. Oh my god, man. This is a 4 hour time frame fair value gap now market has created. If we watch out like that, and we don't need this. Yeah, 4 hour time frame fair value gap while going toward upper side, market has created. I wanted to keep that eye in. We knew that we have been trading. We're trading inside this weekly high. These are the daily highs which has been knocked. Market reject from the point of control of the range. I was telling you between 97 98k of the range is a point of control of the range. Entire volume of the range, highest volume, could act as a resistance. Market could be coming down as well. If it, for example, come down and weakened, it remain inside this range, very choppy, very sideways. Overall, the yes, definitely, because this will be the low, will be still forming a lower high and then be bullish. We will anticipate that, but at any point, market could create local top as well to be coming down toward low levels. The reason is market showing weakness on RSI on a market. 1 hour time frame as well. This price action has been bullish, but there is nothing on a chart to draw on. We don't need to draw all of those levels, and then we don't need this level as well for now. I'll highlight this level. I was watching this project, for the morning session. So this is very important to understand. This all of this price action market has done when it was not opened in a New York session as well. It was bullish, bullish, go blue. If you wait for the New York session to appear and then go for a trade, you already missed everything. So that's why you have to be like understanding the price action on the market. If you find any trade, you took the trade, keeping your stop loss tight, keeping your risk management fair. You can take the trades before the opening. Does not matter. Yes, that's why we prefer to trade the market in the after the opening bell 9:30, because there is we anticipate there should be volatility coming up because stock markets open at that point that time. That's why. Otherwise, you can trade. It's 24-hour market. Otherwise, you find any trade, you can take any trade at any point in a market. So 15-minute time frame as well. There's like market has created this choppy price action. 30-minute time frame as well. Fair value gap in there. We're trading at the weekly highs right now. As we're bullish, definitely from here we should have to anticipate from the market to be bullish. Try to knock all of those highs toward upper side if you watch out like that. 5 minute time frame as well. If you can say this is the previous low right now. From here 20 spread going down possible. We cannot deny this because it is going down, but I believe more for like sideways projection market may continue right now from looking forward to the any of the projection as well. I would say like this it's like 4:13 right now. Market has done what it has to do. Tomorrow we have a news as well. Average non-farm employment change at 1:30 before the opening bell. It's 8:30 in the New York time. So after the news, you can look for the market to trade. So there will be possibility like if, for example, market continue to create highs very close to each other, continue to be remain sideways up going down. I will be confident that market will be bullish. It is also possible that market may create lows very close to each other and then continue to be bearish as well tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday as well. We should have to keep an eye. For this whole week, market has been bullish. We have seen that last day of the week, market could reverse its full character as well, could be going down as well toward low levels. So right now there's no opportunity. I don't think that there's no trade there. I don't think so. You can read the market. It will be helpful to you, but I don't think so. Like for me right now, it's important to I should have to take a sleep right now. So I think we discussed everything. It was a quick live stream, so guys. Sorry about that. Quite busy in life. Have a job, full-time job. I have like not full time, but by the way, but it's like one full time, one part time. I'm doing the jobs, and I love to do trading as well. Whenever I have a free time, whenever I have like no job, I study the charts, study Bitcoin, and yeah, keep my heads down, trying to focus on my life, trying to do something on trading, and do live stream as well, do shorts as well, to have my own YouTube channel as well, working on that as well. Quite a bit of things going on, quite busy as well. Yeah, sometimes like the I have to have a relationship, not a relationship, but maybe in future. That things also as a man, it's natural. These things come into your mind as well, but I try to not to think about that for now. I really want to focus on myself and my trading career and my YouTube channel. Yeah, and I have really have to do two jobs as well. I cannot leave those jobs because I have to work for them because I need money to pay my bills and to do living. By the it's about also all about like putting your efforts on and the results you should have to to give it to God. Oh, results are not in your hands. It's up to God how and how he found you that you have struggled or all that. Be positive. Yeah, be honest with yourself and then look for the things you really want to do and try to achieve something today. Like I would say that I usually have a task every single day to achieve something. Today I have not achieved anything. Like just doing live stream and a short, and then I was really tired for the whole day. I have not even into sleep, could not be able to think properly as well. I could not be able to even watch the market as well properly for the whole day because I was not sleep well. That's why it's very important to have a proper 8 hours of sleep in a day, and the rest of the day you put your heads down, work hard on the things you can improve on. And I think that was a quick motivation to you guys. And then I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.